Everyone thinks owning a Lamborghini is just about flexing on Instagram, but let me tell you, owning one comes with some insane hidden cost that no one talk about. In this video, I am breaking down the real price of owning a Lambo by not the showroom sticker. If you dream of owning one, you need to watch this before you go broke. A Lamborghini Huracan cost around $250,000 brand new, but did you know that after taxes, registration and import duties in countries like UAE or India that the price are shoot up by 50 to 20%, that almost an extra $30,000 to $50,000 right there. Insurance on a Lambo is not your regular $1,000 places. You're looking at $7,000 to $100,000 per year depending on your driving history and location. Now let's talk maintenance. Simple thing like an oil change can cost $1,500 and tires $3,000 to $5,000 for full set because you can't cheap out and performance rubber. You think fuel is cheap or can drink premium fuel like water. Full tank will cost around $150 to $200, and if you daily drive, if you be refueling every 3 to 4 days, not to mention your avoid speed bump like there are landmines. Want to keep it in luxury garage? Monthly rent of secure parking can be $500 plus. Also, resale value of exotic cars depreciate fast if you are not careful with mileage. So, is owning a Lamborghini worth it? If you are buying it impress people, it will drain your bank account. But if you are a true car enthusiast how understand their responsibility, it's dreams that's worth chasing. Just be prepared for hidden costs that come with supercars flexing. Smash that like button if you want me to make a video on how to own a supercar on budget next. Okay, bye. Don't forget video like and